Sound now? Okay, guys, what we're going to do is, are you getting an echoing? I'm going to have to use the microphone through the camera. So if you're getting feedback right now, just tell me. We're just going to use this. I don't know. I'm not going to sit here with no sound for half the friggin' morning. So just tell me what, are you getting feedback? Is it reverbing on us? Because if it's not, what I'll do is just continue. I can tell right now, actually, guys. And sorry about that. I don't... Every time this thing updates, and you can't stop it, really, it does that. Sorry, guys. I feel really bad about that. Test it right now.
Priyanka. Oh.
All good now? Okay, guys. So we're going to use the sound through the camera. Just going to double test it here. Every time this thing updates. Okay, so we're golden. We're golden. Sorry about that, my friends. I don't know what it is. I have no idea. No idea. So, anyways, it is what it is. It is what it is, guys. What time is it? Almost market open here, so let's get some stuff rocking here. Okay, so we're golden. We're golden. Sorry about that, my friends. I don't know what it is. You're going to get reverb there a bit because I was talking and I had to access the control panel. Okay, it'll go away. Sorry about that. I was just wanting you guys to get your howling sound, man. So, it is what it is. Okay. Okay, perfect, guys. You are frigging dope. Okay, guys. Good morning, Chris. Good morning, Michael. Good morning, Jason. Clock. Good morning, brother. Good morning, Lord Kong. Good morning. If I missed anybody on here, as you know, I'm not purposely trying to miss you. That puts a lot of stress on a creator. It doesn't matter who you, if you're doing movie shoot or anything. Audios, with not having no audio is kind of the shits. So, anyways, everything's running good here. Okay. Good morning, Chris. Michael. Good morning. I don't know why it's, see, now the volume, that's weird. I didn't even touch anything. The volume fucking started on the thing. There's this software glitch. Something's going on with this new update. You gotta love it. Okay, anyways, enough of that. Get off of that. I'm gonna move on to something else here. So let's have a look here. Market just opened. Let's get these charts up here. I was messing around with this last night. Is that AMC? Holy crap. That's AMC? Oh, fuck. Whoa, look at the size of that candle, man. That's testing some serious ground there, man. Wow. That bounced that algorithm vibration to the moon. Right up to 39 and pullback. That's a huge pullback. That's actually a little concerning, actually. I don't like that. I don't like that long of a wick, guys. That's not good. That's not a good sign. So, anyways, we're back down to that 38. What we talked about, that channel. Remember I was talking about, I know, you're like, stop talking about the fucking channel. But I got to talk about that because it is the only thing that we can go off of. Everything else I watched probably about 10, 15 videos last night about theories and stuff like that. And I think that we have one of the better theories on this channel, man, about these options where they're expiring. You can give or take the where you want to call your bottom line and your top line on the channel. Okay, what I'm getting is like I said, $38, is the low. We're almost there now. So, yeah, it should be cracking off that and heading back up a bit or holding that, right? Till Friday or going up. Okay. And 40, what was it? What did I say yesterday? I wish these trend lines would carry over till the next day. I could go back and look at the options. Like, I think I said 42. No, it was more than that. It was 40. You guys were all happy. Yeah, it would be 45. And then you guys, a couple of people were saying, do you think it's going to go to 48? And I was like, there's no chance yesterday it was going to go to 48. Just because we were in the minus, you got to recover that. Plus, you got to hit par. Plus, you got to get above, right? So you got to add all that together. But it is what it is, guys. And ladies and gentlemen, what this is doing right now is bringing more people into the market. It's screwing them even more. Okay, you have to think about it was getting up when it gets over the $40 range. It's a kind of like a psychological thing. I know it is for me, and I'm just speaking for myself. When I look at like something like a stock that's 40 some odd dollars, and then look at it at 38, of course it's the cheaper is the better, but there's a little bit of the $4 or even $10 difference if it got into the closer to the 50s, right? Is a huge difference when you're buying a substantial amount of stock, and you can agree with me on that. $40 is getting kind of pricey for a share, right? Yeah, that's right. Joshua, you nailed it. You're exactly what I was talking about, my friend. You guys, it's crazy about it's crazy about when I'm talking about stuff and explaining stuff. I try not to look over at the chat bar now, because 80%, 90% of the time, either as soon as I start talking about it, you guys will put it up there, or vice versa. It's we're in sync pretty good. That's freaking awesome, man. That's cool. That's cool. So it's just like when you're do you ever work with somebody for like a couple months to a year or so, a work partner that you work with at a job or something, and you can just look at the person or do actions or say something, and they'll start doing whatever, and you guys meet up in the center and the job's done. Do you ever have those deja vu things that happen, or somebody that you work with and it's constantly happening with them? You can just read each other, or you know what they're going to do. It's kind of the same thing what's happening with us. A majority of us, actually. There's a good 5 people it's happening to, which is pretty cool, man. And we're not even working together. We're just talking over a fucking computer platform. Okay, so just want to have a look here, guys. It is pretty early. Yeah, fuck, it is really early. So yeah, it's holding that fucking area. It's bouncing. So it's bouncing. Yesterday was really weird. What we seen. Did any of you traders, did you guys have a chance to look at any other stock screeners to see in pre-market, probably for the last hour entering into full market? Did you notice that there was that the whole top was just level, like all the candle? There's one candle, one wick went punched through, but it was all like sustained down. It's like it hit it and pushed it down. It was weird. I've never seen anything like that before. Did you guys notice that on any stocks, any of your other stock screeners? I forgot to ask you guys. I kind of went off topic because we had a bunch of stuff to discuss yesterday. I really that's very important. Okay, I know probably you guys are like, fuck, he's going off again. Yeah, I am, because that if that is in multiple stock screeners, that's very concerning. Okay, there's to be able to bounce that algorithm vibrations and hold them at a steady keel like that. I'm thinking it was just Weeble. Okay, because that's messed up. That's messed up, man. That means that the system's definitely infiltrated. Seriously, if that was straight across the market like that, that's not normal. I've never ever seen that in my whole life. Something like that. That it's almost impossible. That was yeah. It just, if you understand how the resistance and the vibrations of an algorithm work, you will totally agree with me. Christopher, you know what I'm talking about. And I don't know it all. I'm just, trust me, I'm still learning on this. But anyways, I just wanted to talk to you about that because I had something to play into yesterday, why it held down so low. And we're going to have a couple of days of this, okay? Tomorrow's probably, we're going to have a bit of a recovery, okay? So this was planned. This was friggin' planned. Every earnings call, we have this, okay? Maybe not to this degree. I just can't remember back, but I know it was always bad the next day. Anytime something positive comes out with AMC, the next day is shit on the market, okay? So new traders, it's normal, okay? If anything positive comes out, the bastards will put a spin on it and make it sound like shit, okay? It's just the way it is. So when they do that, what does that tell you? We're winning, okay? My coworkers are lame. Oh my God, Mr. L. You're awesome. Oh, buddy. You just made my day. That's fucking dope. That's dope. Oh, man. Oh, good thing I didn't have coffee in my mouth. I was spit it all over the computer. I agree with you, the praise, but people somehow still, but yeah. Oh, were you talking? Just hang on. I got to read your guys' questions here before I get way too ahead of myself here. Cycle theory shows one more dip before the rip. The Wyckoff and cycle theories on TA. I've heard of it. I definitely have heard of. There's a lot of the Elliott cycle or the way, whatever you want to call it. There's a couple different slang terms for it too. Oh yeah, there's probably 30 or 40 different types of cycle systems, whatever you want to call it. I don't really know that much about that one, but Mr. L, you said that's what I was explaining the other day, right? I've never read on it. I've heard of channels, but is that what you're talking about? Because you were you're explaining exactly the Wyckoff cycle theory. You said that I was, I don't know how, I must not be explaining it all correctly or whatever, because I'm just going off of what I'm learning just off of this chart, right? I've never read about it, but if you say, of course, I believe you 100%, and I would definitely like to look into it. So if you do know about that, and I'm nailing it half the time and half the time I'm not, it's because I'm not basing it off of that theory, okay? I'm just using my calculating mind and on the fly trying to calculate shit and trying to figure out what it's doing. And that is, I guess that would be a cycle, right? But so if I'm off on that, it's not that I'm not following that, but I would love to look into it. I did bring my pen today, guys, because there's a couple things I was going to ask you guys, and I want to write that down. Okay. Are you still here there, Mr. L? Hey, GP. Good morning, brother. I could see it. We'll get an up pull near the end of the week, Thursday. I could see something. It'll go up a little bit. I'm not going to put any numbers on it because all technical analysis is off the table when it comes to any of these stocks. Like I've said before, if I get all too technical, I get way out on left field with this shit, right? And yeah, it's my own fault because I go against my own theories, right? I don't use any of anything. I don't even use volume hardly anymore, guys. I'm I'm just writing this down, Mr. L, just because I would like to look into this. And so yeah, guys, if I'm sort of explaining this cycle, and half of it's not making sense, is like, fuck, he's making it all up, it's because I'm not going off of that. Okay, I'm just going to be very clear on that. I'm just going off of what I'm coming up with as a trader. Okay, what I'm seeing, I'm reporting it, writing it down, and explaining it to you guys as best as I can. The thing about the English language, it's really, there's so much slang, and words can be taken so many different ways. Texting is even worse. So it is what it is. Yeah, you said that. You said that, Mr. L. Okay. So we're going to get into that, because I think that if that's what this cycle, like Mr. L is saying, and this is what I'm seeing and coming up with, not knowing anything about it, that's when you need to educate yourself, right? So I'm going to go educate myself on this, because now that I have all the mathematical shit that I'm seeing on the screen, my technical analysis, I put it with a theory behind it, it could be gold to us, okay? So, do you guys have any questions at all today, before we get going here? And if you want, there we go. We just bounced off that $38, guys. Remember what I was talking about? Remember I said it's gonna have an up pull? How the fuck do I know that all the time? I've done it for the last 3 weeks. Nailed it pretty much 95% of the time. Okay? I can't predict at the end of the day what the stock's gonna be at. That's just because technical analysis is off the fucking charts, and you'd have to have a crystal ball in front of you. It's just too far advanced, right? There's too many candlesticks. There's too many contributing factors. There's dark pool. There's the stock shorted to shit. The volume. There's too many things playing into this. It's not a normal play, okay? But I've noticed something, and that's why I'm sharing this with you. If you want me to show you how I'm coming up with this, I can go in and explain it to you guys. I can pull stocks era up, maybe up on this Webull chart in the background. We'll just template it. If you want to give me a minute or two, and I can do that for you guys. You can use stocks era, it's cheap. Ortex is junk, okay? Some people say it's about 60, 80% accurate. I say it's about 30, okay? There's a lot of not reported stuff on there. And they just use institutions and Citadel, companies like that, FINRA, that kind of stuff to report. And half those places don't report half the stuff, because why would they when they're not mandated to, okay? So, okay, so I was waiting for you guys to ask me, well, what is it going to be like in an hour? I don't know, guys. Okay, so you're saying, Mr. L, very mellow day today, guys. If you know, I'm told mellow out. On days like this, there's no sense in getting all wound up, and today's a learning day, right? Today's a good day to throw some. Look at that bounce, guys. We're almost par right now. How the hell would I know that? Okay. So I'm pretty sure it was 45, and then it'll crack off that. Okay, 45 and some chump change. I could be wrong. I have to actually look at the chart again, because I didn't have a pen to write it down. I know the 38 was the lowest, right? Because that's really all I cared about, how low it went, right? It's just with all these numbers and plays, and you guys got me watching other stocks too. It's a lot of information to put in your brain, but 45 to 48 in that area, I'm thinking, okay? I'll find out the exact within $1, okay? What it's going to be at the end of the week, okay? The high or the low, okay? It could be high, low, dead center, in between. I'm just going to give you guys an estimate, okay? That's all you can do off with channeling, okay? Okay, and Mr. L, thank you guys. David, he's out of Louisiana, isn't he? No, he's not. He's out of Mardi. Where's Mardi Gras? Just because I've never been there before. Shit, I know this one. You guys know that. What an idiot I am this morning. That's what happens when you haven't had your coffee yet. He's from down there, I think. That's where he is, right? Louisiana, I think. I think I'm wrong on that. And he has a kid. He's a little boy or something. I ran into him the other day on his channel just put Junior. Okay. I think his channel popped up a couple times in my feed there when I was looking at AMC there. Smaller channel like us, right? Like about 10,000, or he's probably double us, but still a smaller channel, right? Okay. New Orleans, thank you guys. Thank you, BMO. Thank you. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll just I'll give you okay, look into this again. Yeah, it's about that time. Yeah, it's about. I like to wait another 5 minutes, but we'll do it. Louisiana or New Orleans. Yeah, I guess it's the same. Yeah, I guess it's the thing. Good morning, Kim. Good morning, BMO. Good morning. Anybody else saying some Mexican boss? How you doing, brother? Thanks for the messages on my wall, man. Thank you. Love this channel. Oh, thanks, brother. I love you guys, man. You guys make the channel. Seriously, you do, man. I realize that more and more every day. Okay, let's have a look here. I just want to have a look at... Oh, and this channeling, I don't know how to use it on GME, okay? You guys can figure that out. I won't do it. It's because it's too much information on me brain, and I'll end up screwing up AMC stuff because it's too much, and they're too close to like, and I know how my calculating mind works. But you guys can use it the same, okay? I don't recommend using it on any other stocks. I don't think that's the case. I think it's just happening with these. I think it's happening with GME. I'm not 100% positive on it because I haven't been watching it close enough. AMC, it definitely is, okay? So we'll see if that theory works. Again, we're on our way back down. The vibrations are pulling back down the algorithm a bit. So we'll see if it cracks off of 38 and heads back up again. You have to be 38, 37.50 in that area. I'm closer to 38, but you have to give me a little bit of lenient way on that because, and how they're doing that is dark pool. 100%. Of course, other stuff that we don't know about, right? We don't know it all. So, anyways, what the hell has happened in the crypto market? Damn it. I wish that sheep coin would friggin' go to the moon for you guys, man. There's a whole bunch of people putting negative information out there on that coin, man, all across the internet. It's pretty sad, actually. I don't like it when people do that. There's no financial reason why. I clicked on a couple of them to listen to the videos, and they don't have any reason why. They're not telling you why. It's their feeling. Well, that doesn't cut it in the stock traders world, man. You can't go off of your feeling. There's no such thing as in a stock. That's how you screw yourself. Is you don't go with your emotions. Everybody knows that. No trader trades with their emotions. You will screw yourself. That's emotions is greed. The same kit and caboodle. It's the same thing, right? That's why I say throw greed off the table, throw anger off the table, which that's hard to do, especially when you lose money. I've done it. I've lost money on trades and got pissed off and just doubled down. You know, and I'll get you, and really hurt myself, right? I've only done that twice, I think. Okay. Morales, good morning. Any thoughts on Pro? Yes. No, not thoughts on it. Good morning, Warren. I can jump in there and look at this. I just wanted to have a look at one thing, my friend. I'm going to have to zoom this down a bit here. I'm just going to put this on the 5-minute here. I got to see something. It was 40. Okay, give me a second. Just give me a second here. I just got to look at something here. It was 40. It was 40. It was 45. Maybe it was 40. Sorry, I think maybe it was 48. What day are we in right now? So it's the 9th, 10th, 11th. So the 9th was a Monday. That is the 9th. It was 30. It was 48. Okay. I just wanted to check it, guys. Actually 45, but I was 48. Well, let's make it a little bit tighter. Okay. Tested at 47. I just want to see something here, guys. I'm just trying to figure something out for the channel here, just to give you guys, because you guys, I know by tomorrow you'll be asking me, what do you think it's going to be at the end of the week? What do you think it's going to be at? Well, I'll tell you right now what it'll be like, roughly. Okay, there's 30, 47, 88, so 48, but it was actually wasn't that, because that was just testing that, and it pulled back. It's actually 45.80, so that's 5, 6, 7, 8. That's an extra $3 off. Okay, I'm almost done here, guys. Just give me a second here, and then we'll look at. Oh, we got a trend line. How the hell did that carry through? Well, why is there only one? What the hell? I'm all excited. I'm all excited here. I'm all excited. I'm all excited here. Oh, that was when it was cracking. Remember pre-market for the hour and a half, 2 hours, it was showing that steady. There was only one candle wick that went through and the rest was stale, like it was pulling it down. That's what that was. Okay. So, there we go. And there's our 38 right there. I'm actually going to seal the deal, guys. I'm going to seal the deal. I'm going to do it. I'm doing it. I'm sealing the deal here. There you go. There's your retracement line. It's gonna bounce off that, or you can call it support, whatever. I'm not gonna call it a support line because fuck this fucking thing doesn't have any support. It goes where it wants. I'm gonna call it the devil's line. That's what I'm gonna call it. Okay, so I'm gonna look at this other stock here you wanted me, my friend. Cam, can you look at GME if you can? I can quickly there, and then I'm gonna look up Mr. Mexican Boss. We don't want to piss him off, right? We'll end up in a body bag. I'm just joking. I can. What do you want me to? Oh, I got on the 1 minute here. I do want to see something here, actually. Oh, I'm gonna do something here for you guys, and what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna put a line here, and we're gonna check it because some of you guys own GME, right? So I'm actually going to see if this theory works for GME, and I'm not. Don't. Oh shit! I knew that was gonna happen. Shit, I can't use that. Okay, sorry guys, I fucked up. It's gonna lock a trend line on there. I gotta erase this again. Okay, the theory, I'm not standing behind. I'm not putting my word on the GME. Okay, all I'm doing is a test run on this, and in the next day or two, I will have the numbers. Okay, I'm just compiling information here. There it is right there. Okay, so 196 point, forget about the chump chains. So 195.96. Okay, we're gonna put it back on the 1. Okay, and then the high is 223, 224. Let's round it up. Okay, Alina, what did you want me to look at? You didn't know that, Sanjay? You didn't know Mexican Boss? Oh yeah, man, he's pretty serious, man. I'm here just in Homestead. Oh, did you want me to look up, Elena, did you need me to look up anything on that chart for you? Did you have something that you were thinking about? Or did you just want me to just have a look at it, to put it on there so you could see it? Talk to me, just because I'm here and I was just wondering what we're getting the same thing, but this is normal. Okay, these are those trading apps. This 5 years ago, like, this is 90% of the time the stock's going to do this. Okay, pretty much every stock on the market, when so-called meme stocks, right? In the last probably more than that, probably about 6 years, because of these trading platforms. Okay, it never used to be like that, because you have to remember, when the market opened, you had to get a broker. Hey, I want to buy it, man. I want to buy something. Oh, you want to buy there? Oh, okay, what do you want to buy? 2,000. Okay, well, we put 2,000, execute the order, boom, done. Okay, totally different system. Then they stick it in a tube, goes upstairs, and it gets processed. Oh, that is up to you, Alina. You know that, right? You know that. I can't. I don't even. I don't want you to use my information for that. Yeah, I just, that puts a pit in my stomach. So that's how much I care about you guys. Most people wouldn't give a shit. They'd be like, whatever. I can't tell you legally. I can't tell you what to do. Or I can't even give you information on that. But I'm going to tell you what I would do. You guys know how I roll. I got to say that, right? Because we got no ticker bar this morning on the top of the screen. So I think it's going to stay around this level, Alina. I see we could get down another pull to it. I can see it going down a little bit. It's pretty much consolidating right now. I could see definitely it's either going to go up a bit. It's either going to go to the 205, 208, or because there's always a positive, there has to be a negative. Okay, there always is on stock trading. So it has to get either or. Okay, or worst case scenario, it's going to go on a little bit on sale. And I don't. This is just theory, and I don't know GME, guys. Okay, I'm just going off of what I've seen here, and I'm using AMC's data to speculate this. Okay, so you guys do your own DD. You probably know more about this than me. Until next week, or until a couple days, and I'll have this figured out. So 196.50. So I'd say about 196 would probably be our low today. So we're going to give a $4 range in there. That's up to you. I think it's just consolidating. I think we could have a little bit of a push. You have to remember, who knows what they're going to do on the dark pool, right? I haven't looked at the options. I can do that. Okay, there you go. Okay. Not a problem. Not a problem. Anything under 190, yeah. There you go. See? There you, mister. We just did it again. We just did it again. I just said that, and I looked over, and wow, that's... Fuck. We should actually forget about this YouTube shit. We should actually start trading together as a team. That's what we should freaking do. There's a handful of us on here that are in sync, man. Welcome to the channel. 20 Fab. Wow, that's pretty tongue twisting shit there, man, for early in the morning. I'm gonna call you 20 with the emoji avatar with the nice little marijuana leaf. Welcome to the channel, man. You'll fit in well here. Half the guys are chronic on here. So I'm just gonna read some questions here, and then we're gonna jump into some. Oh, sorry, I'm all over the place a little bit. I got it to PROG. I'm gonna put up on the screen here. I'm gonna go through some messages. PROG. I was gonna get some capital letters down on the bottom. Tongue twisting shit. See, I didn't even touch anything and it cranked up. See, I don't know what the hell that shit is. I have had a Discord. I have like Wall Street Breakers and all that stuff. If you guys know what Wall Street Breakers is, I haven't been on it that much. Well, every video I post on here after it's done, it goes to Wall Street Breakers. You know Wall Street Breakers like Reddit, okay? Like, you know that fucking huge group? Well, I'm partners in that, okay? I work with the guy that made it. We've done a couple joint adventures and doing stuff. He's helped me with some of the stuff on my channel. I've helped him on his, getting information out there, posting his stuff and bringing people, supporting back and forth as a friendship. He's actually a pretty good guy. Discord, there's some security breaches with it. I'll get into it. I'm going to put this up there for Mr. The Mexican Mafia here. It's weird that when I push, I just want to make sure I'm doing the right one here. Fucking thing. Okay, brother, what'd you want me? Any thoughts on the squeeze? Oh, okay. I didn't read the rest of your... I'm going to bring it up here anyways. No, I don't on this one. Very, very transparent with you. What the fuck is going on with this computer, man? Where's Christopher when you need him? Dude, it's just the volume's coming on here and just cranking itself to 100, and it's loud with these Bose speakers here. Like, it's fucking loud, man. I don't know what's going on. So, anyways, we're having that same thing again. Dude, there it is again. There it is again. Fuck. Guys, do you have any... I'm going to ask you, do you have any other stock screeners? Do you have Amtrade? Do you have Fidelity? Do you have anything that you could pull up right now and look back on PROG? PROG at 8:15 in AM in the morning till 8:53, and tell me what you see. It's called shelving. That's what this is. It's shelving. It fucking writes it is. It's illegal as hell. That's exactly what this is. They're fucking... Something's jamming that algorithm. Wolves of Wall Street. I could. I don't know if that name's copyrighted. I personally don't like the guy that actually is the Wolves of Wall Street. He's a little short guy. Fuck, I'd like to knock him right between the teeth. Sorry, I just don't like him. He's a little weasel, man. He's ripped. He's yeah. Fuck, what's his name? Glock, you see the same thing? We could call it that. I'll see if the name's copyrighted, but I could change it. Okay? Wolves of Wall Street. We could call it the Wolf Pack of Wall Street. The Wolf Pack of the Wolves. The Wolves of Wall Street. You just need to alter it a little bit. Yeah, you guys call it barcoding. Wolverines of Wall Street. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. You guys are seeing that then on your other stock screeners? When I say stock screeners for the new people on the channel, that's kind of like an old fucking slang term. I learned that from one of my mentors that I learned off of, and I took a couple classes off of him. Would be warrior trading, okay? He had some promotional classes on, and I took them, and I learned a lot of stuff. He's expensive, okay? The course is like 5 to 10, 20 grand for the course, okay? Just so you know. Is it worth it? Because I know you guys are going to ask the next question. Depends. How much trading are you going to do? If you do a couple bad trades, and you're trading big numbers, it could potentially, you could lose all your money. And he's a day trader, right? He teaches you how to day trade. And the thing is day trading, 90 to 98% of the people will lose their money. Okay, beginners will lose their money on an open market. Okay, in the first couple plays or whatever you're doing, right? Until you gain a strategy. That's why I recommend, and you guys, this is not financial advice. This is what I've done. Webull has an awesome paper trading simulator. It's free. They give you, I think, $1 million. I think it is. I did have one running, actually, as a test pilot thing. Just to test out my theories and stuff on stocks. And I recommend doing that for a month. So any of you guys that are going to jump on open market, and ladies, they're going to be jumping on open market after AMC does its little thing here, because that's what I do. Okay, I would recommend that you do it now. Is go to a stock simulator. Okay, and like I said, Webull is cheap. It's free to download. You don't need to buy stocks or anything, and you can use it. And I would recommend at least 2 hours a day for a month, if not more. If you can do 4 hours a day trading on there, try to do the hours that you would actually be trading on open market. So you want to start trading. You want to go into open market when it opens, right? But you want to be up an hour or so before. It moves with the stocks like the prices are. It's an actual real friggin' thing. Okay, it's just fake money. That's all. So you get up and watch your news. You watch your volume, like what I've showed you guys and what I do. Okay, you look for FOMO in the market, like what I've showed multiple times, and I can show it again. Is you can watch the news, right? Certain stuff coming out. You can grab stocks and check the volume pre-market. That's what the main key is, checking that friggin' volume pre-market. But lately they've been collapsing, so that's why you just need to pick up on some things, and you'll learn things that because your brain is different and programmed different, you'll be learning different ways than I am on things, right? So I recommend a month minimum, okay? So market open, and I usually execute all my orders. I don't leave anything on the table overnight. Not when I'm doing that. It's not good. You'll lose your money. It's not good. Well, that's totally, you're not day trading then. So I usually execute all my orders and pull the plug. Probably about, I like to be ahead of all the other traders, 10:30, and I'm done for the day, okay? And I usually don't do more than 3 a day, right? So it's too stressful. Okay. Oh, I hit the like button. Oh, thanks, Lena. Thank you. So, Christopher, did you just get an update from Microsoft last night? My computer's been fucked, man. My audio's off. And I had an update on Windows 11 here, and it was like 6 updates in one night, man. And they were long, man. One of them took an hour and a half to download and install. But I wanted to talk to you about the Windows 10. There was something weird happening with it too. Yeah, the volume settings and shit was weird. And it was doing some other stuff. Oh yeah. All of a sudden it'll crank it, the volume will just crank right up and take itself off mute. So that's obviously a software issue, right? Are you having those kind of issues too? So anyways, so yeah, you guys call that barcoding. I call it shelving. Okay, the reason why I make the name up. Okay, that is a made up name. Okay, just very honest with you about that stuff. I do it because then I know what I'm talking about. Okay, so I call it shelving because it looks like shelves, right? Okay, did you guys see any of this on any other charts yet? Okay, guys, I'm just having a look at this for the Mexican Mafia there. Ooh, look at that big W here. I'm not going to do any predictions on this, bro. I'm just going to have a look here for you. Oh, this thing's up and down. That's actually really good. I like that. It's not bad, actually. I was just wanting to check the movements out for the last couple days here. Market cap. Market cap is 500 million. Holy shit. Shares out. I hate this I hate the way this is laid out like this. It's like totally backwards than what I'm used to. It's totally backwards. I feel like a retard looking at this thing because it takes me a while. Shares out, free float. Okay, that doesn't really mean anything. Where the fuck's the volume? Where's their trading volume for the? Oh, there it is right there. That doesn't make sense. 5.24 million? I don't know the shorted interest on this, bro. The shorted volume and you need to know the shorted volume, like how many shares are shorted, okay? There's the two different ones, okay? There's interest and volume. You know that, right? The two, and they're totally separate, okay? You need to distinguish the two apart. Well, you don't need to do anything, but you need to find out how bad this thing is shorted, okay? And I know on Ortex it's kind of bullshit. Because it's not accurate. Wow, this thing's at 50% off right now compared to 52 weeks. It was exactly up double. This thing was... I've been hearing a lot about this. A lot of it's from you guys. Thing is I'm not following this stuff because I don't... But I will help you guys with the tools. Come on. What's going on here now? Why is this thing acting weird? Fuck. This is weird, man. Yeah, my computer's acting weird, bro. This is weird. Weird, man. What's display mode? I don't even want to touch that. Wow. Yeah, my computer's all fucked up again here, guys. Sorry. My watch list. Okay. What? Come on. What the hell's going on here? Weird. Sorry, my friends. Just bear with me. Did I erase something off of this? Did I erase all of our stocks on us, man? I don't know what I didn't touch anything. Edit watch list. Well, there's our whole list right there. I'm not editing anything. I don't know what I did, guys. Oh, there's the paper trading. There it is right here. I'm going to jump over here. I'm going to show you guys because here you go. Here's how you set up your paper trading stuff, okay? And you guys, remember, you got to have $25,000 in your account, okay, in your trader's account before you can trade over 3 stocks up in 5 days, okay? In 5 stock market days. Market close to market open to market close, okay? I don't know what's going on here, man. Fucking bullshit. Why is this always screwing with me, man? Christopher, you need to come move beside me. Who cares? We'll just, I might have to use this. That's weird. Fucking bullshit. I deleted something off of here. I took my watch list off or something. Huh. Weird. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just put our stocks back on here, I guess. I don't know what the hell's going on here. I'm gonna go through this one more time. This flicking shit all over the screen here. I'm gonna make sure I didn't hit anything here that I shouldn't have. Yeah, that's what it's supposed to be. Okay, I'm on something else here. Yeah, I don't even want to touch any of this stuff because last time I did that, you know what happened, right? Yeah. Okay. So I don't know. Yeah, last time I went in there, I screwed everything up. So we're going to put on AMC. I'm done messing here with this bullshit. There we go. We got it back again, guys. I don't know. There's a glitch. Something's with Weeble, man. It's messed up. We lost. Oh no, we got our line there. Okay, so you get the Geek Squad to my house. No shit. Solved. Just yeah, like just hook up. Well, what I could. You're talking about turning on my remote access and letting you have access to my computer. Fuck, I'll do that, man. I don't have any bank information or anything like that. Is that what you're talking about? Is that what you're talking about? Just or just us streaming like on my phone and then you telling me what to do? We can do that one day, dude. If you want. Yeah, we're gonna have to figure something out, man. So guys, Cam's new market terminator. Oh fuck. Yeah, if I ever get that going, well, it's yeah, you know what I mean. I gotta get that copyright. I can't have that on the open market, like that, without it registered and shit, man. Like I don't know. There's so many laws around it and shit. That could put me in a lot of trouble. Because it's not an actual person, right? Trading. So it's there's laws around that shit, right? But anyways, that's why it has to get registered and under sanctioned, like copyright protected, put under yeah, what is not copyrighted? It's something else. It's through software. Software uses it. Patented. That's it. Patented. It has to be patented. And it's a friggin'. It starts $20,000 US. Starting. I have to remember, I'm a Canadian, so add 30% onto that. Okay. Everything that we buy in the States is 30% more because of the tax. An actual remote session. I will make a video. I made a video last night. I will need to edit and I will send it to you. Yeah, bro. Not a problem. Fuck, you're like a machine, dude. Like a machine. And then we're kind of all over the place today, guys, a little bit. It is what it is. There's really not. Did you guys want me to look at anything else on the market at all? This isn't our watch list. This isn't our watch list. What the fuck? This isn't it. They're all down here, though, on the bottom. It is what it is. Oh, okay. Weird. Weird shit, man. Fucked up shit. Pardon my language, but it is. Yeah, this is... Fuck. I'm gonna have to... All my stocks that I want to look up, I have to look up. So we might as well put these back in here, GME. Might as well start doing this now. See, it says it's saved, but who the hell knows where it is? There it is right there. Visor. Take that off there. We can always look that up whenever. Take some of these Pelton. Okay, guys. Did you, Sanjay, did you buy some more? Be right back. Yeah, no problem. I could definitely see before Christmas or just after them taking that buy button off, guys. I can. There's issues, and they're talking about it. I've seen some government documents about the feds talking to other departments and just not private information. Just on a couple, like I said, I went and watched some YouTube stuff. I was actually watching my bro there. Fuck, my throat sore today. Thomas, my brother Thomas, my UK bro. And he had some documentation there about the feds talking amongst themselves and stuff, and it was legit shit. It's not like protected or anything, or any making laws or sanctions or anything like that. It was just talk. Cam's shirt is made up of hemp. That's why it smells like weed in here. You're awesome, brother. Brother. Wow. Cam, look up. Okay, not a problem. I can do that. Society, pass, incorporated. I'm gonna go out on a limb here. Ooh, it's up quite a bit. That's a legit push too. I like that. That's a good one. That's nice. This is market opens and it starts going down and you're like, oh shit, oh fuck, I'm gonna lose lots of money, and then it fucking consolidates and then it just rips. Those are the best type, man. These are the ultimate of all surprises. I like those ones. It had a push. Yeah, that's legit, man. That's totally legit. That's retail, guys. Totally retail. It's up 20%. It just bumped 3%, just us talking. It's bouncing hard. Oh, it's all over the place. So, they tried to shorten this shit. Oh, retail's not, the institutions aren't liking this. You can tell, look at that. They shorted the shit. Look at this. They fucking just schwacked it. They're tried to. They're not liking this. This is totally a retail play, man. It's friggin' beautiful. Is this like a day old? Did it have a stock split or something? Is this only a couple days old, bro? Got in 40. Yeah, your cousin Sanjay. I did, Roberto, about a month ago, 3 weeks ago. Well, talk to me. What's new? What's new, bro? I did hear that was like a long time ago. But then it kind of like petered out, and then they were getting some people were bailing them out, and then they weren't, and then they were, and just never heard anything about it again. What's new? Do you have some? Are you talking about that, or do you have some more newer information? Or is Lena taking off? Are you taking off? Sorry, guys, I have to go. Have a wonderful day. Oh, it's all good. Lena, you have a beautiful day. Okay, and I'll see you here tomorrow. And if you're not here, then I'll see you next week. Okay, you take her easy. They've officially defaulted. I thought they did before 3 weeks ago, though. or they actually are in bankruptcy protection. Is that what you mean? They've actually filed the paperwork and said, we're fucked. Done. That's it. You guys are all screwed out of your money? Is that what you're saying? The doors are closed? Done? Because I know it was up in the air. So that it is water. It's done. They never denied, but it's all over the news now. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah. We were following that on here. Hey, brother. Michael, how's it going? They never denied it, but it's all over. Okay. Okay. Yeah, because they were at a standstill. They got a little bit of help, and then what the main core is if they put that bankruptcy protection, it's signed, or not protection, that default letter, the bankruptcy form, and they submit it into the government, the Chinese government, it's stamped and fucking registered, they're screwed. It's done. It's done. Right. So yeah, it's done. That's huge, man. That's sad. There's a lot of people that lost money over that, man. Lots. We're talking companies. We're talking stores. We're talking everything, dude. Ripped families apart. Like literally ripped them apart. From country to country all across the world. They had their hands in everything. Oh, they did file. Okay, they're done then. It's done. Nobody's gonna bail them out, man. It's crazy. I wouldn't, because they've been bailed out a couple times. They keep on digging themselves a new hole. Oh, hey, Mohammed. I like your name, bro. That's cool. I like your handle, man. Hi, new to this. Do you go live every day? I do. I do 5 days a week. 20 minutes before market opens, at 6:25 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and I guess it would be 9:20 Eastern Standard Time. Yeah, if we can get everything working correctly. Like this morning we had a audio issue, but yeah, we do. I'm just joking. Y'all get to know my humor. But yeah, you'll get a nice welcome on this channel, man. There's some good traders on here. So this one I like. I know nothing about this, but this is a retail investor's dream. Okay, guys. Who owns on this? Cam's here. 1420. Excuse me. Are you into you just stumbled across the channel, or did you pick us up off Stock Twits off of Android, or just recommendation from a friend or something, my friend? I'm just gonna pick your brain a bit here, not to put you under pressure or anything, bro, but just want to get to know you and stuff. Everybody else is awesome on here. Are you new to trading, and are you in AMC? What stocks do you? I don't want to know figures. That's up to you. That's personal information. I'm into AMC. Oh, you can't. That's up to you, man. That's up to you. Yeah, it's all good. I try to be here as much as I can. I try. Thanks, Warren. Thanks, guys, for the welcoming. I appreciate that. So yeah, guys, this is, yeah. If it was me, you kind of missed your boat. Okay. On this one a little bit, I would be careful. It's kind of already done its thing. I know it's early, and you're like, what the heck is he talking about? It could go up into another level, but it is what it is, right? It's up quite a bit. It's cranking about 15 to 20%. That's pretty good for a stock. I don't know anything about this, but look at this, guys. Did this thing have a stock split? What is this stock? Look at this. $42. And it opened, it just $15 and it cranked up. Is this brand new? Like, here, I hang on, I can find that out right now. Is it yeah, just open, just listed today. Huh. Or 9th, on the 9th, yesterday. I just listened on yesterday. E-commerce platform, which is divided into 2 segments of conspiracy. The facing the segments into the SOPA, food, beverage. Oh, okay. So it's a consumable industry. Is a data e-driven commerce market platform interface connecting customers with merchants in the F&B style sectors. F&B, food and beverage. I'm assuming that is not Facebook. I'm just being stupid. Wow. There you go, man. Fuck. Yeah. That's pretty good, man. Yeah, it's having another push here. That's something that you're on your own, guys. I'm stepping back on this one. It just pumped from 15. It just doubled in 30 seconds. It's at 30% now. I take back what I said. I didn't really, I didn't know it was that new. I didn't know it was only a day old, man. This thing could be the sky's the limit. Stocks like this I've seen lots. They put in the market, they go up, and then they stabilize, and then they'll have a correction. Okay, they will come back down and they'll find their happy medium, like every stock does, and it'll sit there and consolidate. It'll go up, down. It'll do all of its wave action stuff. It just halted. Okay, went up too fast. Went from $40 to $60, over $10 in 2 candlesticks. Will halt any stock. That is, we don't like those ones. Not on the way up. So yeah, guys, it's young. It's very young. This thing could fucking go into the hundreds of percent. It could go in the hundreds. I didn't know it was a new company. That's why when I'd seen that, I thought it was just a glitch. Sorry, guys. I got dog hair all over my face from petting my little puppies. This thing could go to huge. Okay. It's already at $63. Anything over $80 though is, it's going to have it's going to fall like a knife. Okay. The upper edge of the pyramid that it forms. Okay. Just be careful on that. Yeah. So you know, this might go to a high and never hit that high again for like years. Okay. I've seen that happen too. Okay. Because it's just dead. This is FOMO, 100% FOMO right now. It's a new stock. It's 2 days, right? Don't know what they own. Don't know anything about them. It's very vague on the thing right there. So AMC's back up to that 40, 30, 39, 71. I do want to check Pelton out here for that gentleman that was on here the other day. I was thinking about him. I kind of feel for the guy, man. Fuck. He got hurt. Oh, I did it again. No. Oh. Shit. Did this just collapse on that poor guy again? Is that $50? There it is right there. Damn, it just torqued down again. No, that's what the other day. Yeah, he bought in here. Poor guy. Fuck. Went from 52 down to 49. Or he's not that bad. No, it's back up to 51 again. He recovered. Oh, there you go. He's with the dollar. The guy's not doing that bad. Yeah, the stock recovered pretty much. Weird. Okay, what other stocks do we have on here? Oh, Cardano. Oh. Oh, dog hair all over me. Wow, it's up pretty high, man. Fuck. That's up to that 2. That's what Tim was saying. Money Militia there. He's saying that if it gets up to 226, it usually has a turnaround. and then it'll head back down. And if you can get it at the $1.70, with this one, you buy big chunks, and then when it goes up 30 to 60% or 30-60 cents on that, you can make some fucking good money because you buy big chunks, right? And that's what it does. It constantly does this. It's like a frigging machine, this stock. This coin, I should say, this blockchain coin. Any of you? Clock cams on about... No, I was going off about SOPA. It's only been out for a day. It got listed one day. Paperwork got approved and it got put on the open market. Yeah, it's going hard, man. It got halted though. So on a halt, well, the halt gives you guys. I personally wouldn't buy in on it because it's a food and beverage company. I can't see it holding up in those high numbers. I can't see it. It's at $63 right now. I can see it going up maybe $80 to $100, and then it's going to crank. It's going to crash. You have to remember, it's new to the market. It hasn't been shorted, okay? There's no synthetics on it, okay? The devil hasn't touched it yet, okay? So, that's right, Mr. L. Yeah, that's right. Anything under $2 is a steal, my friend. Yep. That's why I said 170 is like, you are gold. It usually doesn't go lower than that. That's what my crypto guy says anyways. You guys have met him. He was on here once. So yeah, I just wanted to have a look at that. But that's what I was talking about on that one. Just be careful because it's already, yeah, food and beverage. There's not that many food and beverage companies out there that it's an e-commerce one. So e-commerce, it's a renewable resource or reusable resource which needs to be replenished. So that's a positive. You got to look at that stuff, right? But anything over like $100, man, like it's gonna the market's gonna find its price and it's gonna fall. It's gonna collapse. Okay, that's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. Yeah. Why did it do that? See, I'd hit the stupid thing again. I'll check it out 1 second, Joshua. I'm just, give me a second, brother. Give me a second. Weird. Weird. I know I look like I'm fucking gapping out here. Doesn't make sense. Just give me a second, guys. I'm just looking at something here. Hey, David. Hey, brother. How you doing, bro? Just give me a second, guys. Fucking stupid bullshit. Not you guys. This fucking bullshit. Fucker. Weird. Yeah, it's weird. I don't understand what the hell is going on with this parts of this software I'm using. Okay, I'll stop messing around with this thing here. Weird. Okay. I'll look that up for you guys. I was trying to get stocks there thing to here. Okay. Okay, I gotta start at the top for contenders under. What do you think of LRC? LRC, I'll start at the top here. I know you guys have a couple LRC. I gotta mention this. I know you guys are asking me symbols and stuff. I don't mind looking this stuff up, but you guys are doing your financial background checks on this stuff. You're not just purchasing what I'm saying is good and stuff. Okay, don't. I'm telling you right now, don't do that. Okay, I'm not putting 100% into this to look at stuff. I'm doing a broad spectrum. I'm doing a snapshot. Okay, there's a whole bunch of other stuff that I do before I buy into a stock. Okay, I'm just telling you guys that. I know a lot of you. I've gotten some messages about some people have in the past have done things like that and taken snapshots of their bank statements and sent them to me. I don't recommend doing that. Please don't do that. To my email, and thanks, man. I made like fucking 50 grand off you, off of what you said. And I'm like, just please, that stresses me out when you guys do that. Okay. I'm not giving that kind of information. All I'm doing is a snapshot and looking at stuff for you. Okay. And we're just talking about stuff. There's a whole bunch here. I'm getting RC. What do you get? Who is that that wanted R or LRC? Joshua, what is it? I'm getting a whole bunch of. I'm getting a LRC. I'm getting LAM research. I'm gonna wait a minute because that'll take about 10 seconds to get through to you. Right on, Sanjay. I have to say that, guys. I'm just going to wait because I don't want to click on something that, or actually, fuck it. That's not it. Can't be it. Okay, I'm going to move on to the next one here. IOTX. Loop ring crypto. Okay, it's okay. It's all good. And this one is, I'm getting a whole bunch of symbols too here, guys. You got to kind of breathe if you wouldn't mind telling me what it is. Retail investing company, or is it communications? Just put the ticker symbol and then just put a little blurb of what it is, because there's so many stuff. This one too, guys. I'm getting the same thing. There's like 4 of them up there. Holy crow, guys. Wow. It's the Ethereum. Can you check that out? Just give me a second, guys. Whoa. You guys are making me work. Okay, so let's, I'm going to go back up to the one here, LRC. I got like research. Let's There we go. Loop ring crypto. I don't see it on here, man. I don't see anything with loop ring crypto, dude. IOX. Okay, that one is. I don't see anything, brother. But you got another one here. You got another one here. I'm gonna look up Joshua, and I'm gonna move on to the next one. Oh, this one is real estate. I just want to make sure. I don't think I'm getting delisted, man. I got pulled off the stock market from not enough sold. Oh, dude, you're messing with me. Okay, I'll look up that one for you, bro, and then I go to LRC loop ring. I don't see it here, dude. I don't see it. It's not here. It's not here, man. I'm not getting it off that. Loop ring, sorry, should have said. No, it's all good. It's not your fault, man. Yeah, I'm not getting it, man. I'm getting research, Newmar, resources. There's nothing here. Bonds company. Like, that's not it. Resources. Yeah, this isn't it. Yeah, I'm not getting it, dude. I'm just going to move on to it. It would say it's crypto, but I'm not getting nothing on that. What happened with PROG? I was just on it a while ago here, my friend. Just give me a second. GGPI. And that one would be versus Evo Company. Anyone in G? Oh, fuck. Sanjay's asking. Oh, I thought you were wanting me to look it up, dude. Shit. It's all good, guys. It's my fault because I'm not reading it. What do I think of Rivian? I don't know that much about it. Guys, do you want to give some feedback to Kim on that? Some of you guys are in it. $88 Energy. 88 Energy. Oops. 88 Energy. Oh, the dogs are up. 88 Energy. What ticker symbol would that be? Michael? Is it? AMC's going good. Good. Perfect. Michael, what's the ticker on that? 88 Energy. It's an Ethereum coin. Oh, it doesn't retrade on Webuild. Okay, thanks, Mr. L. Yeah, some of them don't. I'm not seeing this either, dude. I don't think it trades on here. So, Pro. This is the one right here that we're. I was just looking on it. PROG. There, Mohammed. It's getting a bull here, which is a bullish sign. It could have a bit of a push here. So let's have a look at AMC here. Let's go on. What's going on AMC? Good. We're back out of it. Good. There we go. Hey, look at that. That's beautiful. There's nothing wrong with that. Look at that. Consolidation up to the next level. Right on. So we're heading up to our mark to 42, 43 bucks. Okay, Kat, good morning. We're doing good. These traders are working me today. They're working me hard today. looking things up, which is fine. Oh, there it is. Okay, Michael, I'll look it up for you. Yeah, this is good. We're getting a good push here. It'd be nice to work our way up to the $43, and then crack off of that, come down just a bit, and just keep on bouncing off it like this and cracking off of it, hitting it, coming back down. It'd be nice to punch through it. I just really can't see it happening, just because the options chart, like we talked about earlier, we're up to 1% already. So we got another 2%. Okay, 10% would put it. 10% would be $4. So it needs to go up 5%, 4%. 5 out of 4 needs to go 5.5%, I think, roughly. Okay. NV, EE. Okay, what is this? Am I looking up now? You had me look. Oh yeah, that was the 88 energy. I think it says another E in there. That's too many. Oh, here it is. It's here. Ooh, that's weird. That's that same shit. Kind of weird stock. Hey, look at that. That's weird. It's like they're buying blocks. Is this... Obviously, it's open to the public, but that's kind of weird. It's like they... It's like they've... Oops. Shit. It's like they've sold blocks of this. They only can buy blocks. Can you buy this thing in just ordinary, like, crypto, like, do you have to buy lots of like 100 or anything like, is there any stipulations on this trade? It's weird. Or they're consolidating it and putting it all into one and buying it as chunks, like as blocks, a complete block of this thing. Like, it's weird. Weird. It's just fucking weird. They're $7,000. 7. Yeah, just like clockwork too. Weird. Maybe it's just the way the algo is today, man. Printing off. Weeble's doing weird shit today. Anyways, I wanted to have a look at this thing here. So it's this thing's worth more than Sheepcoin is. It's already up to 10 hundredths of a thousandths of a cent. Tens, because you go, for anybody that, of course you know this stuff, most people, but if you don't, point, it's tens, hundreds, thousands. On the other side, it's ones, tens, hundred, thousands on the left. Okay, so when you go to the right of the decimal, tens, hundreds, thousands of a cent. What is the high on this? $2? Shit, you can make some money on this. If it, I don't know anything about this, man. Here, let's bump this shit. Oh, it's, how new is it? Oh, it's been up, it's been double before. It's been worth double than what it is right now. So it's lost half of its mojo. Oh, fuck, is it ever? What the hell? Oh, it's lost more than that. This must have been when it first came out. Yeah. I just called that without even looking at the screen. Oh, wow. 20 cents, eh? 20 cents down to a hundredth of a cent. Yeah, that's what that was they were pre-selling it before it got on the market. That's normal. That fucking fell like a knife there, right? Somebody cashed out. Some big players. Yeah, interesting, my friend. Interesting. Thank you for that. Good morning, Catholics. NJ. So yeah, let's jump back over to the EM motherfucking seat in the house. Let's put us back. Oops. What the hell? What happened to my line there? It's supposed to be 20. There's supposed to be a line there. Oh, I know why. I'm on the 1 minute candle. Yeah, there's supposed to be a line in the 20. Oh, it's supposed to be in the 25, not the 20. Too many lines going on here, guys. It's supposed to be at the $25. There we go. There's our bracket. And the other one I was just, what I was doing was, there's our channel. The other one, what I was doing before was, we were picking that line on the last pull there. The fuck, I erased them all. It's not my day today. 38 bucks, that's what it was. I erased both of them. I don't know how the hell I did that. It's 38 bucks. There we guys go. There you guys go. There's our channel. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have a $6, $7 average. That's quite a bit. It's quite a bit of a thing. I doubt it's gonna, I hope it's, what is it at right now? Okay, well this thing just unlocked. That SOPA just unlocked right now. It's going. It's back to 33% unlocked. It's $64.38. We'll see what happens here with it. I could definitely see it going quite a bit more. It's cooled right off. So obviously it was hitting the vibrations, the algorithm, like really bad. There you go. There's what happens when they cool it off for 10 to 15 minutes. It's totally calmed down. It was ripping. Like in 1 minute, it went up 15%. That's the difference. It takes quite a bit to get it to start going again, though. That's what we're going to have is those problems with AMC. We're going to kick lots of breakers. Lots, man. Lots. We're going to spend most of the time in suspension. Okay, just so you guys know that. Do you guys have any questions at all there, my friends? It's starting to get light out here. Starting to get light out. Really bothers me not having my screeners here. My other stocks here, though. BlackBerry. Just going to add a couple things here. Delete some of this stuff off here. So BlackBerry BES. Just gonna add some of our stocks back here that I have. Sundial. You guys haven't asked about Sundial today. That's rare. Toronto Stock is a New York Stock Exchange. Yeah, I gotta switch this because I need to go. Whoops, I need to go buy the Canadian one for Suncor Energy. Just because of Canadian stock. There we go. We got our half of our chart back. Do. Okay. I'm going to take a quick minute here, guys. I'm just going to jump over. I'm going to turn this light off because we don't need it anymore on the camera. Just going to jump over into YouTube and just check some software stuff to make sure everything's up par. Make the par. Oh. Okay, guys. What about that? Somebody put some weird, degrading stuff on our channel on the wall. Some troll. I just got a message. Thanks, guys. You guys just privately messaged me and said, "Hey, can you please take that down?" Thank you, man. I didn't even notice it was up there. I can't keep control of everything, right? What's going on here now? Just give me a second, guys. This computer, there is something really... All of a sudden it started playing. I'm dead serious. Another friggin' podcast. It just all of a sudden started playing another podcast. This is a weird day, man. Glad you guys are there. Veterans Aid, Chris, I don't know. I don't know. I think it is. I think it is, dude. Somebody want to Google it? It would tell you if you Google it. What the hell was I was looking something up for you guys. Oh yeah, just some people are just waterheads, eh? Yeah, some guy put some stupid comment on the channel, right? About Lou or something like that. I can look at it again. It's all good. We've already looked at it 3 times. I just 3 minutes ago, I just got off of it. It's all good. I can go back to it. Not a problem, my friend. It's having a good go today. I think it's just going to stay in the area today. It had a huge push though at like just after 10. I don't know the volume in there. Has it changed quite a bit? 13%, 13.36% overturned. And it's 8:07 in the morning Pacific Standard Time. Okay. I know they have been saying that this thing is going to squeeze. I have a question for you though. Let's hang on a second. How old is this company? Okay, 2020. It just got listed like a year ago. Okay, a stock squeeze takes... When did they say that it was potentially could squeeze? I have a question for you. And it takes a while for you to answer me back, so I'll just wait on that. I just need to get some information off you first. But yeah, if it Like, did they say, like, I think it was only a couple months ago, right? That it was going to squeeze? Wasn't it like a couple months ago? Dog hair all over. That's what happens when I'm playing with my dogs. Yeah, they were talking about it squeezing for sure. A bunch of you were talking about it. But I'm just curious. It just got put on the market 2020. So it's very new. For them to really infiltrate and short it and to synthetic the shit out of it, it's been around for a little while. It usually takes a company years for that, so those statistics to start punching through. Yeah, I just need to know what date they said that it was going to squeeze them. Yeah, their earnings is today. That's probably why it's having a bit of an uppull. Here. Hey, buddy. Hang on. Daddy's busy right now. My dog's trying to get in here. That SOPA pretty much is collapsed. It was up 33%. It's 17% now. It's totally cut in half. It totally collapsed that run. Okay, I was going to answer. Remember I said that was going to happen? Aren't you glad that you didn't put your money in? Aren't you glad you listened to the Alpha Wolf? I can't tell you guys what to do, but when I say that if it was me, I wouldn't buy it right now, that's why. Because you would have lost half your money right now. Or half the percentage. You know what I mean. Is the stock market closed for Remembrance Day tomorrow? Veterans Day. Oh, sorry. You guys call it Veterans. You guys call it Veterans Day. We call it Remembrance Day. Okay. Veterans Day and Remembrance Day the same thing? Watch, it is. I know it is. Yeah, it's the same thing. Is the market closed on Veterans and Remembrance Day? It says it's open. Yep, it is. It's going to stay open, guys. Holy crow. I got to let my dogs in here. Sometimes this month in November. Okay, it takes about a year for a stock squeeze. So this time next year, it'll squeeze. Within about 10 to 12 months it takes for a stock to squeeze. Yeah, okay, Chris, it is. If you look at statistics, it's a planned event. It has to have a whole bunch of things line up. It has to have a certain amount of short interest, which I'm positive it has, or else you guys wouldn't have talked about it. It has to have shorted volume, okay, but a certain amount of shorted volume. It has to have a bunch of actual volume, like into the market. It has to get some FOMO shit. It all has to synchronize, okay? So it's a planned event. The best short squeezes are when you're caught off guard. Nobody even knows it's going to happen, and all of a sudden it happens, okay? When it's planned, that's when people like institutions and hedgies can manipulated around. Like AMC, that's where they're manipulating. If this was just a broadside slam in the face, just caught everybody off guard, that's better. Okay. So yeah, it takes about a year. You have to get a whole bunch of people on the same page. Takes roughly about 10 to 12 months. That's why we're seeing such a long time with AMC, right? GME was a year in process, a year and a bit. Roaring Kitty was working on it. He was working on it for a year, and then that's before we even got involved in it, right? And if you look at the Volkswagen squeeze, Chipotle, that was a year and a half there. Some other ones. You have to remember that a lot of this is pushed by media too. I'm not saying anything about that stock, PROG, about AMC, but a lot of this stuff is pushed. So if you got Zacks Finance, you got Monopoly Money, okay, Fool Money or whatever the hell it's called. I forget what the hedge fund, I forget what the name is called. Those people, and of course, Robinhood, right? They'll put these ads out and you'll see them. You'll see the top 10 meme stocks to squeeze this year. Okay? That is just a tool to get you guys to buy into it. Okay? That's all that is, right? And notice there'll be like companies that you haven't even really heard of, like some energy company down in the States. Oh, the short interest is this much. See, they own these stocks at low prices, okay? They want you to buy in. If you buy into those stocks, they're not necessarily going to short squeeze, okay? Because they bought them so low, right? Like it doesn't, you know what I'm saying? But if you buy in and you're pumping their stocks, you're making the money. Okay. So, yeah. So that's just my take on it, guys. And I just wanted to, that's what we're seeing across the whole market, across the whole world. It's happening everywhere. It seems to be the new fad, this short squeeze thing. It's like, it's the main thing. You talk about the stock market, oh, short squeeze. It's you have to put the shorts into a position where they're going to cover, right? They have to short it. They have to lend it out a bunch of times. It's like it's a big complex thing. It's not that easy to pull off, okay? 90%, 80% of these short squeezes they say they're going to short squeeze are not going to short squeeze, okay? You have to have a substantial amount of volume. Yeah, it's just that they've been saying this for the last, since GME, they've been talking about the short squeeze thing, and they've been talking about all these stocks. Oh, this month it's going to short squeeze. Notice that we haven't had one short squeeze, and GME wasn't a short squeeze. Okay, it never squoze. Okay, the shorts never even started to cover. They took the buy button, they screwed it. Okay, they're still shorted it. Those positions are still open to this day. Okay, and people still own those stocks. Could it short squeeze still? Yeah, it was just getting FOMO. Okay, it was just, that's FOMO, guys. That's straight up FOMO. So that's what it is about that stock. Hey, little buddy, you want to come see Daddy? I know. Oh. Here's one. This is Finn again. This is Finn. Give Daddy a kissy. Good boy. Okay, I'm gonna put you down. Franny, come here. Come see Daddy. Oh, maybe not. Nope, they're gone now. They're my little babies. So yeah, guys. Yeah, Josh. I got hair all over me. That's what I'm talking about. It goes up, and I just wish it would go. I wish it would rip for you guys. You guys are gonna have your day. It goes up to 70 and a bit, close to it, touches it, and then back down. It's just it's manipulated hard. You have to look at how many shares there is in that company. There's billions. Like, fuck. let's look at Sundial again. I did it the other day. Look at the quote. Okay. Oh, come on, buddy. Really? I was sorry, guys. I'm just trying to. Finnegan. Yeah, 2.06 roughly. Okay, and look at AMC. $1 billion. Okay, Sundial. 2 billion. AMC, and you think AMC has a lot of shares? They do have some. I'm talking about real 5.13, roughly, give or take 512, 100 million. Huge difference. Okay, 500, $1 billion, $1.5 billion, 2 billion. So it's 3 times as much. Okay, that's what the problem is. Okay. Personally, I don't think Sundial should have had that many shares issued to them. I personally don't. I think that I don't know how they got that many shares issued to them. If it would have been less shares, like say at 1 billion instead of 2, things would be way different with this company. They're over leveraged. I don't know how they got that many shares. I have no frigging idea. Like I said, it is a Canadian company. I don't know. Oh, I know why. Because they're bought up a whole bunch of other and that's what it is. They probably all bought up like 10 companies by now, maybe even more. That's what they did. I think they a while ago got a. I know, if they want to play. Here, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, Franny. Come here. Come and meet everybody. Don't be a butthead. Okay, this is Franny, AMC. Okay, this is the dog that when the stock, when I knew about it, when I bought all my shares, I got her. And her name is AMC Franny. And she's the one that has the artificial heart in her. Over half of her heart, there's a big hole in it. And she was 2 weeks old when we had her for 2 weeks. And we knew there was something wrong with her. They took her to the vet and they said her heart's missing. There's a big hole in her heart. It's pumping like blood, bypassing. She's not going to live that long. And we put about $15,000 later, she has a plug put in her heart. And she's has more energy than her brother. So that's my story. That's my story. I'm sticking to it. So yeah, guys, I'll put this back onto the chart. So yeah, that's just, I just want to explain that to some of you new traders on there. I'm not trying to like burst your bubble and stuff like that. These things will go. It's just to be careful of the media. That's all I'm saying, is that it has to be a planned event. Okay. And a lot of these things are fucking primed. Okay. It's, yeah, it is what it is. And they're going to have their day. We're up to 2%. Good. We had a total turnaround, guys. We went from what, negative, were we down to 4 or 5%? Weren't we negative? Yeah, we were. Up to 2%. So that's 4, say 4. I'll be generous. 4, 5, 6%. We went up 6% today. We went from negative, because you count that, that's what I do. What my negative was to the par, and then 2%, right? That's what I do. That's how much we moved today, right? That's just the way I do it. And then we have had a 2% increase above par. So I look at things a little bit different than some people, right? I just look at it the way, because I calculate the numbers. I'm a number guy, right? So it just doesn't make sense the other way, because we've done more work than just hitting par and rising, right? We've done all this work. So you asked me a question, didn't you? 50 by the end of the day? No. Excuse me. Sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. No, I can't see that. Sorry. 50 to, by the end of the day would have to be 10% would be $44. 20% would be $48. So it would have to be 30% from here. So it'd have to be 32%. 31% it would have to go to today to get to $50. So no, it definitely will not hit that. I think you're starting to, and Lloyd, good questions though, my friend. And just the way I talk derogatory. I'm not putting it down, or don't take it like the wrong way, like, oh, he's being an ass. It's just the way I am, okay? Those are good questions, okay? I know you're new to the channel, and some of you people that are new to the channel. It's just the way I am. I'm not saying, oh, it's never gonna like that. It's just that you'll start thinking like me, and you'll start figuring things out. And once it clicks, you can, holy shit, it's way easier to figure things out. It's just the way I am, right? It's just numbers, right? Yeah, Sundial did make it to the 70. So guys, have a look here. GME is still tailing behind. How dare you yawn? I know. I'm really tired. So rude. I know. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just tired, right? I put a lot of time into this channel and stuff, right? Wade B goes on here, right? Because I got my video chats that I do with you guys. I got today to life stuff. But it's all good. I know you're just joking around. Okay, guys, it's our time. It's that time to jump off here. I'm going to give you guys a couple minutes here to ask some questions, and then I'm going to bounce off of here. I had to make our thumbnail and all of our platform for tomorrow for Veterans Day or Canadian Remembrance Day. I didn't know that. I learned something today. I'm just going to shut this door just because I'm going to be vaping here. Hey guys, I'm going to be vaping. I'm shutting the door here, guys. Ooh, dog hair everywhere. Wow, just sticks to you. Okay, guys. And well, that thing does lag behind quite a bit, eh? It's about 20 seconds. The internet is slow. That's why when I ask you guys or you ask me a question, I got to sit here in silence a bit because sometimes I, like I'm just getting out of the chair now and going to close the door. And that was like, I'm already back. I've been back for a while. But it is what it is. I guess that's what you have to do to stream 4K. We are pumping 4K, aren't we, today? We freaking better be. Are we pumping 4K? We are pumping 4K, crystal clear. And the thing is, too, is we haven't had any hiccups today. I mean, we haven't, hiccups. Why does it keep on going back to that stupid screen? There we go. What's AM good amount of volume to look for? That you need to, what I do is, like, because obviously if you're targeting a stock, you've been watching it for a week or so. So what I do is I put the lows and then the highs, and the chart will tell you to some degree, and you can Google it too. That's what I do, and then you'll know. I don't really go off the 3-month average. It just doesn't really mean anything to me. To some people use it, but I think it's very inaccurate because you can have FOMO, or you can have like a certain thing, somebody talking about something or news, and that is not played into that as factors. Your volume is also down on the bottom, down here, Lloyd, and you can pull it up here and you can count. You can also do a rough estimate on that. Those are your on the 1 minutes. That's the volume. Okay, down there too. I don't know if you know that, my friend. I know you're new. So yeah, you can Google it. Stocks Era tells you it. You can go into your quotes. This gives you a good gist of it. Like the 3-month average, I don't use. Like AMC was turning up to 500 to almost 700,000. I think it was almost 7. I could be off a little bit on that. At least 500,000 shares in a day in January and higher. I think it was up at 700, but if I'm wrong on that, don't quote me. I could be a little high on that. That's funny. Well, not funny, Kim, but on my Roth account. Yeah, that's cool. Hey, you guys have that Roth account thing, hey? Okay, brothers and sisters, I'm out of here, man. So yeah, how do you read the bottom chart? The bottom chart is, I have it set. That would be your, oh, sure. Put me on the spot here. Fuck. I'm just bugging you, buddy. That is one of your indicators here. That's your, just hang on. I'll find it for you. I'm trying to think of the, no, that's not it. I'm trying to find it here for you, buddy. So it's, I'm not really familiar with Webull on this end of it. That's why I'm having problems here. But you can have your, that's weird. Huh. Oh, indicators. Here we go. Your VWAP. Okay, you can have your EMA. And those are the lines in this MA. You're going to have to do some reading on this stuff. There's your VWAP, your MACD down here. Okay, that gives your push points and reversals of what the start. That's your RSI line. And then you can set them all here. I don't use pivot points. I make my own. So yeah, there's like hundreds and hundreds, buddy, of symbols and indicators, and yeah, it's crazy, and I only know the ones that I need. The VWAP, a lot of people use it. I don't really use it unless that's your volume, okay? Indicator. I use that for day trading. I don't use it on anything like this. I use the EMA and the MA. When these lines cross over or they pull apart, I don't use this stuff on AMC or GM or any of these meme stocks. But if I'm using an ordinary stock and I'm trading on it, it gives you a couple second head start onto what's going to happen. When they cross over, either it's a bullish or a bearish sign. They both mean separate stuff. Okay, it's going to give you an indicator that you're going to have a downtrend or an uptrend. If you go into my Lloyd, if you go into my channel, and you go into stocks up in chart reading, there's some courses in there that I've done. I think there's 5 or 6 videos in there. They're very really vague, not vague, but they're really I shouldn't say dumbed down, but they're really not in depth that bad. Okay, they're very basic. That every trader should know those basic charts. Okay, just a couple symbols that'll help you a lot. Not that much on this stuff. You have to remember these stocks, we aren't controlling. There's no indicators. None of that stuff works. It's all off the table because it's being manipulated by the dark pool. Okay, and they're messing with it. It's there's synthetics in the market. Those indicators don't know that stuff. They go off of volume. They go off of push. They go off of candle ratios. How many sticks are in an hour. There's a whole bunch of formulas that are into that. Okay, which you take one thing out, it will screw it all up, right? Okay, brother. Yeah, buddy. I just I wish I could help you more on it. It's just that it's so in depth. I'd be spending. Probably people would be getting not. They're pretty understanding on the channel, but a lot of traders are on here to trade and to make money and to do plays and stuff. And if I watch those charts first, and then I can answer questions, because I could spend hours on hours and hours and weeks on here talking to you about certain symbols and all that kind of stuff, and it will just not that they have pretty good tolerance, but it upsets people. I know it does, because they're on here to find out plays and they're watching their money. Nothing against you. Perfect channel to learn it on, because I will take the time to teach you. A little bit at a time though, my friend, but just go read those, watch those charts, those playlists, my friend, and it will help you. And I know you're gonna have a bunch of questions for me, which is fine. That's what I'm here for. And I don't know everything though, just so you know that. Okay guys, I'm out of here, and you guys can answer questions. You guys keep it real. There goes that volume again. We gotta love that. That's funny. Okay guys, wolves, take her easy.